Hi, this is Steve Marley's What to Watch this week, the week commencing 21st of October, with a recap of last week's main macroeconomic events and an outlook into this week's key events that we're going to be watching that could affect financial markets. Well, the big event last week was the breakthrough in Brexit negotiations. It occurred really the previous week on the 10th through 11th of October between the Irish and UK governments, and then developed with an agreement on the Thursday, the 17th of October between the European Council and the UK. The financial market impact of this Brexit breakthrough was to reinforce the rally that we'd already seen the prior week across global equity markets and also in the pound rallying across major currencies and already having moved from 122 to 127 against the dollar, moving up very close to 130. Then we moved to Super Saturday, which was monikered by the UK press. The attention turned into UK Parliament and what was supposed to be a ratification, a meaningful vote on the new Brexit deal. However, the amendment, the Letwin amendment that was proposed in here really took out a lot of the impact from any kind of potential meaningful vote. The insurance policy to ensure a no-deal Brexit did not happen at the end of October, meant that the meaningful vote now likely to be at some point maybe this week, potentially as early as Monday. So we're going to be watching that with interest. On the US-Sino trade conflict in here, we had that phase one trade deal announced, but still lots of work to be done on that, and some both positive and negative soundings coming from both US and China over the past week. The other thing we have going on right now is the impeachment process of the US president, the inquiry into a potential impeachment. The market's not really reacting to that right now at the moment, but this could really develop into a more significant story as we go through October into November and into year end. The other geopolitical events that are really impacting right now is the conflict on the Turkish-Syria border and also the pro-democracy protests in Hong Kong, which have received backing from the US Congress over the past week. These two events could actually widen into a more significant diplomatic events going forward. Critical to watch this week coming are going to be all the things we've mentioned there: Brexit developments, US-China, Turkey-Syria, Hong Kong, and the US impeachment inquiry. And the standout macroeconomic fundamental events are going to be the PBOC, People's Bank of China, and European Central Bank meetings and interest rate decisions on Monday and Thursday. And then the global market purchasing managers index data that we also get Thursday. Have a great trading week, everyone.